Bullish FTT value forecast is $32.50 to $53.62. FTX token cost could likewise reach $30 soon. Bearish FTT cost expectation for 2022 is $22.47. And FTX token cost forecast 2022. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about FTT to break down the future development of the digital currency. FTX token current market status. The cost of FTX token is $23.35 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $57,876,899 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, FTT has expanded almost 3.2% as of now. Besides, FTX token has a flowing stockpile of 133,618,094 FTT. Presently, FTX token exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Poloniex, and Gate.io. What is FTX token? FTX token is the local utility token FTX, concentrated trade. This conspicuous crypto trade was established by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang. FTT was at first sent off as an ERC20 token in May 2019. The trade token is viable with Ethereum, Binance Shrewd Chain, and Solana blockchain. FTX token is a deflationary token. That is, its stock will diminish with time, and ultimately, the rising interest will climb its worth on the lookout. FTT is used as the exchanging expenses on the trade, and clients can acquire compensations on marking it. FTX token value forecast 2022. The above graph of FTX token spread out a plummeting channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A sliding channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the trade of a negative market. As of now, FTX token is in the scope of $24.22. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of FTT could arrive at the obstruction levels of $26.81, $29.09, and $32.42. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of FTT might tumble to $22.38 FTX token backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of FTX token. The graphs show that FTX token has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, FTT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $53.62. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of FTX token could dive to nearly $22.47, a negative sign. FTX token value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of FTX token is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of FTT lies over the end line, areas of strength for demonstrating in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of FTX token is displayed in the outline above. Presently, FTT is in a bullish state. Remarkably, FTX token cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of FTT whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the FTT is 46.97. This implies that FTX token is in an almost oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of FTT might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. FTX token value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of FTX token. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of FTX token. As of now, ADX of FTT lies in the scope of 19.31, so it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of FTX token. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of FTT lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of FTX token is 46.97, in this manner affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of FTT with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and FTT. From the above outline, we can decipher that the pattern of FTT is like that of BTC and ETH. At the point when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of FTT increments or diminishes individually. FTX token value forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, FTX token could most likely achieve $40 by 2023. FTX token value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, FTX token could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, FTT could revitalize to hit $45 by 2024. FTX token value forecast 2025. If FTX token supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, FTT would revitalize to hit $55. FTX token value expectation 2026. If FTX token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, FTT would energize to hit $65. FTX token value forecast 2027. In the event that FTX token supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, FTT would mobilize to hit $70. FTX token value expectation 2028. If FTX token holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a huge cost rallies. Consequently, by 2028, FTT would hit $85. FTX token value expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on FTX token, it would observe significant spikes. FTT could hit $90 by 2029. FTX token value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the FTX environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into FTX token for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, FTX token could hit $100 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the FTX token organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for FTT. Hence, the bullish value forecast of FTX token in 2022 is $53.62. Then again, the negative value expectation of FTX token cost expectation for 2022 is $22.47. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to FTX token environment, the exhibition of FTT would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $84.18 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $55 assuming the financial backers accept that FTT is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is FTX token? FTX token is the utility badge of FTX, a unified trade. FTX and its deflationary token, FTT, were sent off in May 2019. 2. Where could you at any point buy FTX token? FTX token has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Poloniex, and Gate.io. 3. Will FTX token come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the FTX stage, FTX token has